Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to install the famous text editor VS Code. So first, I need you guys to open your favorite web browser, which is Chrome in my case, and search VS Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com, the link which I will put it in my description down below. You'll find that the website already finds out which operating system you're on and provides a version for that operating system. But in case some error has crept into this, which will not, but still in case if you want to scroll down to get specific installation for x64 or ARM64, Windows 10, 11, Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, SUSE, macOS. But the default is fine for me, so I'm gonna click install the universal. Saved executable file and open once done. You will be redirected to getting started page. So I think it's going to take some time, so I'm going to fast forward this process. So open executable file once done. You can feel free to close your web browser. Click on I accept the agreement and click on next. If you want to create a desktop icon, please check this box out, otherwise leave it open. Click on next and click on install. And click on finish. There you go, you have your Visual Studio Code.